What's up guys, Johnny here, welcome back. Today we're at racing again. It's winter time, the snow has started to fall, it's gotten real cold, wet, nasty outside. It's time we turn to micros here in Detroit. So today we actually got a big day. It's weird, it's the first day, local race, just micros, but my heart's pumping. I'm excited, I can't wait to get going. Today we got guys coming in from Cleveland. We got the Kane Mead coming in, and he's bringing Sidewinder. He's bringing Lonnie King with him. So these guys, you know, King, Sidewinder, they're both going to champs in Vegas in February. Kane Mead, he was the top qualifier in the North Central. He didn't make it to Vegas, but he had a rough route. But you know what? He just ran a micro race in Cleveland. He took that one down. He won that one. He's coming here. Beast Mode wasn't big into running micros last year, but this year, he's taking a whole different approach. I was out there flying at his place with him. I saw what he's doing. He's looking super fast, super dedicated. He's not going to let me take the crown this year when it comes to micro racing. So he's on his game. So today we just got all sorts of tight competition. It's going to be fierce. We're going to go in there, get set up, have a great day racing. Hopefully you have fun. And yeah, man, let's get this done. What's up, Beef? Oh, thanks, dude.
Yeah, for sure. I charge it for you, too.
Oh, man, you're the best. All right, it's going pretty rough out here. We got 2 rounds of practice in the books. I got 1 dead quad, and I think 4 total laps. Just that dive gate that we set up, it's kicking my ass out here. So we get to drop 2 rounds of qualifying. So hopefully I'll figure it out by then. I can drop the first 2 rounds or something, but hot damn is it hard. It's been too long. At least we're racing again.
It looks like a picture.
How about that dive gate though?
Dive gate sucks, man. Fuck that dive gate. Combos are good.
Ricky, what are you doing?
It's a little freestyle.
Can you please?
And you will find out the truth. Take back the time that you have spent being lied to. And as you change, the days will follow. Every step you take.
Alright guys, into round number 2. Beast Mode came through and actually fixed my quad for me, fixed the motor that was busted, so I was able to go back to my primary quad. I also swapped out the lens for a 2.1 mil lens on the Swift instead of the 2.3. That's helping out here. I felt a lot better. I still felt like I collided with someone or clipped something or something when I went down, but overall I was putting in good laps, so there's enough time left. Maybe I can get this thing back on course, put in some decent times, but yeah man, we'll see. But I'm having fun. Always having fun when we're out here racing. Nick Snow Kenny, where's the team lead from the regional finals? We need that K Mead to be here.
Hopefully we never see that K Mead again.
Hope not, bro.
Right.
Welcome to Nick the Destroyer. If you had to pick anyone to do that, who would it be?
Nick the Destroyer.
Exactly, Nick. Every time. Yeah, or Chris.
Yeah, Nick or Christian. If Christian is here, definitely Christian. Not even Nick. Christian,
Christian
Nick,
would have hit the wall.
Everyone else.
Yeah.
Christian would have hit the wall, like right by your head. Would have smashed against the wall.
Yeah, and then
Nick.
And then full throttle
Yeah,
after.
full throttle, exactly.
Yeah.
Nick,
Yeah,
if there's
right
something
after
stupid
you
to
cut
do,
your hair.
that boy's got it, man. All right, he'll get us stuck on the ceiling.
They gotta climb.
You know, I'm like, alright, 10 of you motherfuckers need to walk away.
JT's the man.
Alright, this is gonna be fun.
Don't do that again.
You paint me red in this light that isn't mine, finding every reason you can find to question my love. Remember that it's not me, I was never the one who broke your heart. We both know I've been gentle from the start. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you, you're my baby. I was never cheating. You connected dots that weren't there. You gave attention to the thoughts I never wear. It's not my style, even though it's so clear to me. You shouldn't base the future on the past. I know you really want this thing to last. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you, you're my baby. I don't wanna fight now, you're barking, you bite now, to prove that I'm right now, that you lost your sight now. I'm holding it tight now, can't see through the night how to show you my light now, to paint these walls white now. I don't wanna fight now, you're barking, you bite now, to prove that I'm right now, that you've lost your sight now. I'm holding it tight now, can't see through the night how to show you my light now, to paint these walls white now. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful. So though the questions keep on coming this time.
Alright guys, starting to feel a lot better out here. Just started round number 5. Went pretty good. I got 7 laps in, which felt really good, but still nowhere near K Mead. That guy's just absolutely killing it out here. I'm still having trouble with a few of the turns. I had to go back around for the dive, get it a couple times. I don't know, I can put in the laps, just gotta push it. He's out of the... there's no way I'm gonna be able to get him for qualifying, but if there's time, we might be able to run one round of mains, and at least we'll push hard and see how we do there.
Echo 23. see a net, what if I fall? Without a net, where do I fall? High in the spotlight, can't fly, afraid of heights. Can't see the end, what if I choke? There is no end, I'm gonna choke. There's no way out of this circus. We paint on smells so they can't hurt us. Cage with the lions now, begging for silence now. Trying to escape, there is no way out of this circus. If I lose grip, where do I fall? Gonna lose grip, nowhere to fall. I hate to ride to animals come alive. If I can't run, where do I go? I cannot run, where do I go? So they can't hurt us. Cage with the lions now, begging for silence now. Trying to escape, there is no way out of this circus. Begging for silence now.
Alright guys, it was a late night of racing out here in Detroit, doing our micro race, and we had a good time. Wound up finishing second place to K-Mead. That guy was just on fire all night, just super consistent, super fast. Nobody could get him, what can we say? Still pretty happy with second, especially had some rough start. Had issues with my second quad. I broke a motor in the first quad. Beast Mode actually fixed that for me, got me back in the air, allowed me to be competitive, and just it had a lot of fun from there. Hopefully you guys can see that in my flying. I started to get a little bit better, a little bit faster. I was having a lot of fun. I was doing a lot of testing today. I was trying out the Clearview, the Rapid Fire, just all sorts of good stuff. Hope to have some videos coming for you guys soon to give me kind of my impression on my new quad, on the Rapid Fire versus Clearview module, stuff like that. We wound up doing the top 4 race, Heads Up race, K-Mead, Beast Mode, myself, and Mayhem. Unfortunately, me and K-Mead collided. Beast Mode ended up taking first, K-Mead second, me third, but we had a good time. Love hanging out with you guys. Love hanging out in Detroit. Love racing with these guys. It was so super cool to see the guys come up here from Cleveland. I love the Cleveland guys. Just being able to race with them is just the best. Hopefully you liked this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. And as always, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.